welcome back from my table to yours. Today we are going to make a 5-ingredient pistachio salad. Quick, easy, and very delicious. We are going to start with a can of crushed pineapple. And then we are going to use some whipped cream. Then we are going to use a small bag of walnuts. Then we are going to add some pistachio pudding. This is a great summer dish. Great for just any time. It's very sweet, very yummy. Then the last ingredient we're going to add is some marshmallows. You can also add coconut if you'd like to this. We're going to go ahead and stir it. Okay, now that we got all this stirred in really good, you now have your pistachio salad. Very sweet and very yummy. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. Hi, Mom! And this is just exceptionally yummy. So even after you get done with this, okay, so then what you want to do is make sure that you chill it for a couple hours. You can use tin foil, lid, whatever. Like I said, this is great with everything. We usually eat this a lot in the summer. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button below. It's all free. And thank you from my table to yours. See you next time.